Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to teach you how you can stop someone you don't know who is commenting randomly on your Facebook post. So what is happening here is that you have a setting that allows anyone on Facebook comment on your Facebook public post. So that's what we are going to limit here, or what we are going to do it or turn it off. So without further delay, let's do and learn how you can stop someone you don't know commenting on your Facebook post. So without further delay, let's get started on the video. First of all, open the Facebook app and log into your account. You can see I'm on my Facebook account, and so to do this, tap on this menu icon on the top right corner and scroll down and find this setting option. This one, setting, and then again setting, and this section will appear in our screen. So from here, tap on this profile setting. From here you see public post option, this one. Tap on this, and here is the section where you can customize your public post comment, this one. What you have to do, just right now it's public, just make it only with friends. From now what will happen, only your Facebook friend will be able to comment on your Facebook public post.